Let's assemble our caramel apple turkey. I've got all of my components already made up. If you want to see how I made those, be sure to visit epicdelights.com for the full tutorial. I've got my turkey plaque out of chocolate already made up. I've gone ahead and affixed that right to the side of my caramel apple using some warm coating compound. Next, I want to go ahead and arrange my feathers that I've also made out of chocolate. I've got coordinating melted chocolate colors to match the color of each feather, and I'm just going to go through and attach them one by one. You can do whatever pattern of colors you want. I do recommend that you use the same color of melted chocolate to adhere the feather to the caramel apple. It just looks cleaner. Add however many rows of feathers you want, depending on the number of feathers that you made. And again, you can do it in any color pattern you would like. I always start from the middle and work my way out and then work my way back. I hope that you've enjoyed this super quick tutorial on how to make a caramel apple turkey.